In this next set of exercises, we'll be multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Multiply t squared minus 9 over 12t times 8t squared over t squared minus 4t plus 3. So when we're multiplying rational expressions, we multiply the numerators together and we multiply the denominators together. Remember, however, that before we actually carry out the multiplication, we factor each of them to see if there's any possibility of removing factors of 1. So, t squared minus 9 is t plus 3 times t minus 3. In factored form, 8 would be 2 times 2 times 2, and t squared would be t times t. In the denominator, let me write the factored form of t squared minus 4t plus 3 first. And that would be t minus 1 times t minus 3. Now I'll write the factored form of 12t, which would be 2 times 2 times 3 times t. And now we can see that we can remove factors of 1. T minus 3 over t minus 3 is equal to 1, so we can remove that factor. 2 over 2 is another factor of 1. 2 over 2 is another factor of 1. And t over t is another factor of 1. So now we see that we would have in the numerator 2 times t plus 3. And the common practice is, of course, to write the 2t first and then that which is in parentheses next. So in the denominator, we see we have a 3 and then times t minus 1. So our final result is 2t times the quantity t plus 3 divided by 3 times the quantity t minus 1.